All right, so now we're gonna do a full 360 walk, kind of show you guys the full exterior of the car. Got my GT500 right next to the GTD. It's kind of perfect, so we can kind of compare and contrast the differences between obviously the GTD and GT500. Obviously, as you guys know, it's a whole body difference. It's the interior, the heart of the car is just a big difference, right? So I'm in a big similarity, and the body of the car is the big difference. Got these heat pockets right here. This one has the magnesium wheels. Black. This one has no carbon fiber on it. It's got a gloss black screen. It's a beautiful car.
Yeah. Hard to drive on local roads with them size tires though.
Yeah.
They pick up everything.
Yeah.
And it's steering, you know.
Yeah.
They might have one Chevy with 305s on it all the way around.
Yeah.
Kept it for a year and sometimes I have to be, you know, recorrecting the car that the rocks in the road and.
They are massive. They're very wide tires too. So
exactly. So I pick up every little difference in the pavement.
Mm-hmm.
And 325, that's a big tire, man.
Sure is.
Especially on the front.
Yeah. No, absolutely. I like the wheels. The wheels are beautiful. They're very nice.
The wheels are nice.
Yeah.
They're nice looking car.
Sure is. Absolutely.
All in all. Color, I like the color.
Absolutely. Polymimetic gray. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Haha. Yes sir. Yeah, the wide body looks really good on the GTD. It really helps it stand out. And kind of kneel down here. Got heat extractor. Yeah, both functional. Boom and boom, just like my GT500. But like the way the body, like the bumper's designed, it's like it's forcing the air in there. It's perfect. Where like mine is kind of like more open, you know? Like on the Shelby, it's far more open. I can't zoom in because I got this. But here, see, look. It's like more open. But then again, more air is kind of coming, but that's like forced air, right? So it's forced air, so. And then GTD, obviously with the magnesium wheels. Looks great. I am hot. Oh my God. Carbon ceramic brakes. Looking great. We got the and then you got black versus carbon fiber right here. Heat extractor right there, pocket. To cool down the transaxle. And this is where the transaxle's heart is. Basically, this is not even a trunk. You can't even use this as a trunk. So the GTD badge is in carbon fiber. Looks good. Again, it's a manufactured car. And then this right here is black. And then that's the Acura exhaust system. Titanium exhaust on the GTD, as you guys can see. Let's check out the roof. Check out the.
Yeah, well,
these are the mesh.
if I try one of these. Yeah, you too.
And then this one, you can't really see the interior, but it's got the Recaros, and then it's got the same dial as me, and it's got the new aggressive looking paddles. Paddles are great. Great looking car. Alright, what would you rather have? Would you rather have the Shelby GT500 with the 7-speed dual clutch, 5.2 liter V8 supercharged, or would you have the Ford Mustang GTD 8-speed DCT and 5.2 liter supercharged? Comment down below. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this polymimetic Mustang GTD. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below.